unhappy.
And then the sometimes I upset with the YouTube.
I'm upset, maybe you can say.
Yeah.
I'm upset with YouTube sometimes because
not upset. Yeah, okay.
Not upset?
Yeah, not upset. Upset. The upset. Okay. Okay.
You do it.
Okay.
You did it. Okay. Maybe I need to hear the whole sentence.
I means that okay, that cannot concentrate by the YouTube.
You get distracted.
Yes.
Okay. So you get distracted from YouTube.
Yeah.
So at that point, you're unhappy to learn knowledge in that part.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, that's good. Now, let's go to number 7. Number 7 is a good question.
Yeah.
So, we overlook a lot of trivial and routine things that usually makes us happy. Name some unimportant things that are vital to your happiness.
Yeah. I think unimportant things that the watching movie with my family, and then
Okay.
chatting with my wife while taking walk, and then having a dinner, having a lunch with my church mates after Sunday worship, and then talking with my friends while drinking coffee.
Talking with your friends while drinking coffee is good, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So in that case, then I understand that part. It's good for you, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it's good for you and very helpful for you. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
But of course, that is something unimportant, but makes you happy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Very. That small things make me happy.
Small things makes you happy, which is good.
Yeah.
Small things should be happy.
Yeah. Yes. Small things should be happy.
Yes. Should be happy.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So, as they say, small things matters. So small things will really make you feel happy. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So of course, I think it's good to have. I think it's good that it's actually better. It's good and it's better to have more of, how do you call this one? It's better to actually have more of like doing things that makes you happy, because when you're happy, you can do many things, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes. So it's very different. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I have no question.
Okay, no question. But Mr. Choi, how often can you have like movie time with your family?
Actually, I didn't watch a movie recently, and then maybe it's I watch movie with my family, the 2 times a year.
Okay, 2 times a year, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, okay. So 2 times in a year, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, okay. I understand. Now, do you have any questions?
No, that's
Okay, okay. So since you don't have questions,
yeah.
there. Let's continue again on the Wednesday.
Okay.
So fast.
So
Time is
fast.
so fast.
Yeah.
But don't worry. Let's have it little by little. Sentences are getting better. So just study some of the sentences I gave you. Let's continue.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay, okay. So, of course, we're going to talk more about this and have a good morning. I'll
Okay.
see you.
See you Wednesday. Bye. 어쨌든 이렇게 좀 미리 연습해서 미리 이제 문장을 내가 만들어서 그 주제를 미리 정한 다음에 연습을 하는 것이 좀 더 도움이 되는 것 같습니다. 그래서 첫 번째는 이제 이 텍스트북을 미리 연습을 합니다. 연습을 하는데 여기 이제 질문들이 나오는데 그 질문을 내가 영작을 미리 합니다. 그리고 영작을 하고 나서 이 영작이 그 원어민한테 정말 자연스러운지 챗 GTP로 다시 한번 필터링해서 이게 좀 문법에 오류가 있는지 확인한 다음에 그게 완성이 되면 다시 그 문장을 제가 암기를 하고, 암기를 한 게 중요한 것이 아니라 암기를 하고 나서 원어민이랑 같이 대화를 했을 때 비로소 내 머릿속에 끄집어서 나오는 거기 때문에 저는 이제 장기 기억 장치에 남는다고 생각을 합니다. 그래서 이런 것을 목표로 해서 반복을 하면 많은 문장들이 쌓일 것으로 믿습니다. 그래서 이런 방법들이 일단은 좀 그 자연스러운 스피킹이 나올 때까지 이렇게 이렇게 이런 방법이 장기적으로 하는 것보다는 짧게 한 3개월 정도 지속적으로 해서 자연스럽게 스피킹이 나올 수가 있는 것이 목표이기 때문에 저는 한 3개월 정도 이 방식대로 한번 연습을 하고 좀 공유를 하겠습니다.